and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling the master bathroom. So it has just really accumulated junk, and we have not really picked up very well over Christmas. So yeah, it really needs cleaning. So today I'm tackling the whole master bathroom and just going to try to get it really good and clean, deep clean it. So I'm spraying everything down with my Thieves all-purpose cleaner. I use it on absolutely everything from my glass to my showers, my toilets, my floors, in the kitchen. I use it everywhere, stainless steel, everything. So I'm spraying everything down because I like to spray and let it kind of sit and work. So I'm just kind of removing everything from the area so that I can clean it thoroughly and look in this tub. My kids did get some bathtub crayons for Christmas, and they have a great time with them, obviously, and it's all in my tub. So I love letting them use these, but definitely need to clean up after they use it all the way because, yeah, it can make a mess. So I'm just spraying down the mirror, and I will use my e-cloth. I love e-cloth. You do not have to use anything but water with e-cloth, but I use the Thieves just because I want that extra cleaning power. So I just wipe it all down with Thieves and an e-cloth, and then I go back in with the shine cloth right here and wipe it all down, and it just shines it up. The shine cloth is super. I love the shine cloth. So if you are new to my channel, make a comment in the bottom. Let me know your name and where you're from. I love to see where people are from. And just like my video if you like it, and then subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll get notified when I make new videos. I plan on making a lot more in 2019 and being more regular and doing a regular upload schedule. So just subscribe to my channel and like my video, but please comment so that I know where you're from. So as you can tell, I kind of have a mess in the corner over there. That's where I keep all my oils, and yeah, they don't always get put back the way they should be. So they're kind of just sitting everywhere. So I need to straighten that up. I really need to get a little more organized with them in the bathroom because I just use them and set them back. So if you have any ideas on ways to really get that organized, comment below. Our two little kids that are 5 and 3 haven't moved to the boys' bathroom and the girls' bathrooms yet. They still use our bathroom to bathe and brush their teeth and things like that. So they get stuff all over the cabinets. Like, do your kids do that? Toothpaste, you know, mouthwash, everything, handprints everywhere. It's so funny, but yeah, we gotta love them, right? And so as you see, I use a different color e-cloth for my toilets. I use like an older yellow e-cloth for my toilets. I don't use the same one as my countertops or my showers or tubs. Yeah, because that's gross, right? And yes, that's a heater that we have in our bathroom. When I take a shower and stuff, I really like the bathroom warm. I don't like to be cold, and my kids are the same way. So we always turn that on when we take our showers and our baths. And my kids are kind of spoiled. They like to get out and wrap up in a towel and sit on a towel in front of it and get warm. And my dogs are the same way. So I guess we like the heater, right? And yes, I still use the old-timey, I guess you would call it, type of toilet cleaner. I just really like it. I feel like it really gets in the creases better around the top of the toilet. So yeah, that's the kind I like to use. To each your own, I guess. Some like those little ones that you dispose of and think it's cleaner, but I do clean mine, so I like it. And maybe this is because I'm so short, but I get into my bathtub to clean it. I clean the windowsill really well. And it's just so much easier for me to get in the tub and clean it than to lean over it and stretch across, because it's just so hard on my neck. I had neck surgery about 10 years ago, so my neck really bothers me at times. And yeah, I just try to avoid stressing my neck as much as possible. So I get in it and clean it. So let me know if you get in your bathtub to clean it, or if you clean it from the outside. Who does that? Who gets inside and who stays out? Like the bottom of the bathtub, you know how it has like the little grooves, I guess you call it, the little dot like things made in it for grips or whatever. Anyway, those little crayons like really get in that. But I love that the Thieves Cleaner really cleans good, and it like really de-germs everything. So I feel so much better cleaning with this, and knowing that my kids are going to get in the bathtub and it's safe. I rinse it out, but if there's some still in it, it's actually still safe for them. So I love the Thieves Cleaner for cleaning things that my kids are going to come in contact with. So now the bathtub is so shiny clean, and I love a shiny clean bathtub. And now it's on to the shower. So this ledge, it really accumulates dust of any kind, and I think from towels and all that. So I love to get it clean because it's just nasty when you can see dust sitting there. And yeah, I get in my shower to clean it too. So I'm just gonna wet everything down a little bit, get my rag good and wet. I've already sprayed it down with the Thieves Cleaner, and that's kind of been soaking on there. So now I can really get in and scrub everything down. So that is a cleaning toothbrush that I like to use. It's only used for cleaning, but yeah, I'd love to use a toothbrush to get in the grooves of all the tiles and little pieces that are kind of hard to reach and stuff. So I love to use a toothbrush. Most of the time I clean my shower when I'm actually taking a shower. So to me that's a lot easier. You just spray it down before you get in, and then when you're in there taking a shower, you wipe it all down and scrub all the tiles with the toothbrush, all the little grout lines and everything with the toothbrush. That's just like easier for me, I think. So what do you do? Do you get in the shower and clean it while you're taking a shower? Or do you do like I'm doing here for the video only and clean it with your clothes on, not while you're taking a shower? Comment below and let me know. And I do use a scrub brush in the shower at times. It just depends on how dirty the bottom part of the floor in the shower is. It does get really dirty, especially during the summer, because we go outside a lot without shoes, and so the kids' feet are dirty, and then when they get in there and their feet get wet, yeah, it's just like, I don't know, it gets so nasty. So I do use a scrub brush on there sometimes, and if the tile just looks like it needs to be really deep cleaned, I will just get a scrub brush and use in there also. So since I'm not in the shower, taking a shower while I clean it, I'll just use a bowl and kind of pour water on the walls to rinse them off and to rinse down, the bottom. So now moving on to the outside of the glass on the shower, and I will use my shine cloth to really shine that up, and it just makes it super simple. And I like to shine up the silver part around the edge of the shower, and the shine cloth really works well on that. It takes all the fingerprints off, and it works so well. Now for the glass on the inside, I do use the thieves on it, of course, and I'm using the shine cloth here, and then I will just use a squeegee to really get it good and all the water off of it. Now, when I actually clean the shower, when I'm taking a shower, I will wash it with the rag, and then just squeegee it off, which is we do every time we shower. We squeegee the water off, and it really prevents watermarks and spots. So I highly suggest using a squeegee if you have glass doors. And there's Grace. She's 3. She received this backpack for her baby doll for Christmas, and so she's wanting me to put the baby doll in her backpack so they can go to the park. Is that not cute? Excuse her hair. We haven't fixed it yet today. They've just been playing around the house and having a lot of fun with Christmas gifts. So yeah, the hair has not been done, and her hair is very curly like mine. So let's put that baby doll in the backpack for her so that they can go to the park. Yes, she is adorable. Now on to the vacuuming part of the bathroom cleaning, and I'm just going to use this cordless handheld vacuum that is so nice. And there's Cocky. He come to see what the noise was with the vacuum cleaner. He is not sure about it, as you can tell. Anyway, so I'm just gonna vacuum all the floor because I shed terribly. There's always hair in the bathroom. So yeah, let's get all that up so we can then mop. So now moving on to mopping the floor. I love this mop, the 360 mop, and I just pour my thieves cleaner in it. Sometimes I add oils just for the extra cleaning, and for the smell. I love to add oils like lemon because it just helps really degrease anything or get anything off the floors that I think need to come off. And it really smells so fresh and clean. So I like to put lemon oil in it, and that is actually what I did today. But this O Cedar mop is wonderful because it just, I don't know, it makes it so easy, and my kids love to help also. So hey, why not, right? So that is all for our cleaning video today. And I just want to encourage you to clean your home with the heart of the Proverbs 31 woman. When I always think about how I don't want to clean or I'm not motivated, I get up and I think about how blessed I am. The Lord has blessed me so much with these things, and I tell myself while I'm doing the cleaning, just thank you, Lord, for a bathroom to clean. Thank you, Lord, for children to make a mess. It will change your mindset, and it will change your heart, and just let God transform you.